Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dearest audience, I am Umar bin Mahdi, a representative of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud and Ja'far ibn Abi Talib class. I will now recite hadith number 166 from Sunan al-Bukhari. It's a major scene in Arabic and its translation in English. An Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam akbarul kabairi isyirku billahi wa hukukul walidaini rawahul Bukhari wa Muslim. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the greatest sins are associating partners with Allah and disobeying one's parents. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.